Speaking a foreign language can be really difficult, even scary. And part of the fear of speaking is the fear of making mistakes. Now, this could be using the wrong word, making a grammatical mistake, even a pronunciation mistake. But why are we so afraid of making mistakes? It can come from the fear of judgment. Maybe you're worried about what others will think about you if you say something wrong. Or you're worried you'll sound less intelligent than you really are.
Imagine that if you are able to sound very intelligent, very wise, very smart in your first language, you're admired by people, but then in the second language, you are not able to do that.
It can also be about aspects of your personality, particularly perfectionism. So if you're the kind of person who likes everything to be correct and perfect, you're likely to be worried about making mistakes. So how can we feel less anxious about making mistakes? We hosted a speaking confidence workshop at the BBC. On this table, these learners of English had to pick a topic and try to talk about it for 30 seconds or more without stopping and without worrying about their mistakes. Now, this was a safe space where there was no judgment and no one correcting the mistakes. Let's see how it went.
There is a lot of different planets in this space. Mars.
How do you feel about making mistakes when you speak?
I don't care a little bit. I'm here for learn English, so if I make mistakes, it's just normal.
And you don't have to do this in a group. Why not try it at home? Give yourself an everyday topic, set the timer for 30 seconds, and challenge yourself to talk about it without stopping. And don't think about your mistakes. What else can we do? Remember that speaking isn't about perfection. It's about communicating your ideas. Practice with someone you feel comfortable with, someone you know won't judge your mistakes. Find someone to do a language exchange with, an English speaker who wants to practice your first language. You'll be in the same situation, so both of you can make mistakes without judgment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the podcast episode where you'll hear more from experts about this topic. Go to our website, bbclearningenglish.com.